Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to use your PlayStation Portal as a split screen for any games. So in this video I'm going to example about the Tekken 8. So Tekken 8 is a local multiplayer. You can play one-on-one with your friend. So I'm going to use a split screen like, so one guy can play on TV, another guy can use this PlayStation Portal to monitor their game. So that's what I'm going to explain how to do it. So first, already I have connected through remote play this PlayStation Portal. So now I'm going to launch the game. This will be the primary controller to manage the game content. So if you want to select anything, you can select here. Then we need to connect this DualSense controller. If you have spare, just connect it. So it will be very easy if you're using wire, and if you have already connected through Bluetooth, it's very simple. Just press this PS button. Okay, do not select the same user because I am doing remote play with this user, so I cannot use that. Okay, for local multiplayer, I cannot use that another controller. You can see this light bar as well because this is a primary user. If I'm changing any other user, you can see this light bar is changing. So this user I can use as a secondary user, or even I can use as a guest. So if you choose quick play, it will be guest. And if you have not connected your controller, just use the wire. If you're newly connecting your controller, just use this USB type C. And on the other end you need to connect it to your PS5 console for first time pairing. Okay, and then so now I'm going to connect it and then press this PS button, and same thing. So this will be a primary user. I'm going to change that. I can use any other existing user ID, or I can choose as a guest quick play. So it should be showing here. Now I am taking the wire out because I have full charge. So now I can use this, okay, as a secondary user, and this will be the primary user. So I'm going to choose this player with a CPU. Okay, both should press this options button. The second user also should press this options button, and here I'm going to choose this guy, and for another user I'm going to select this Nina. Both should tap X button, and we should select this. Yes. So that's it, friends. Now you can see both can play. It's like a split screen. So this is an advantage of this PlayStation Portal. So that's it, friends. Definitely you will be liking this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback in media forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.